Go.
Hi, this is Josh Phillips. I'm in the Liberty University EDUC 623 class with Dr. Oster. This is our lesson video, 100-point assignment that we will give our lesson plan for our students. The class that I'm giving the lesson on is 9th grade physical science, 7th edition. Students will need their notebook along with blocks, ball, ramp, timer, a meter stick, graph paper for data collection, as well as a data notebook. The big idea and the concept being taught of the central focus is how energy is transferred between objects. Students should have a prior knowledge of speed, crash energy, time, and impact. Prior skills students should have are measuring, recording numbers, ability to observe, record observations, and measure distance. The third academic language that the students should need is speed, energy, crash, and transfer conversation. The content standards, state and national. The state standard is PS.6. The national is MS, PS3.C, MS-PS3-2. The learning objectives. Students will investigate the transfer of energy between a ball and a block in order to understand what causes the energy transfer and the results of it. They will collect data and show how an understanding of energy loss. They will also demonstrate this loss of energy and also the conversation of energy. Academic language demands. The language demands of this course, the basic level is basic spelling, enunciation of terms, short phrases, specifically crash energy. The language supports of this course should be sounds and sights of crashing objects, spelling and pronunciation of science terms, visuals and drawings, which represents the concepts and language. The Liberty University SOE specific lesson requirements state character education as follows: working in pairs cooperatively, patience in data collection, organization of numbers, consultative group numbers, and team building. The TCA alignment understanding is incline and speed. Evidence and assessment of student learning. Our diagnostic and pre-assessment is as follows: what is known about time, distance, conservation, and energy. Also, the 10 cues with short answer or multiple choice, which they will be allowed to have 3 choices. The formative assessment along with feedback for learners. The answers will be checked orally by the teacher with feedback from students, scores characterized as typical or rare or under the bar. The summative assessment. Scores tallied and will be returned to student. Expectations for student learning, standards and criteria. Exceeds expectations. Students who exceed expectations will have organized and completely accurate report with data, conclusions articulated in complete sentences, expected results, applications made for other real situations. To meet expectations, students should organize a data report, some data accurate, a simple conclusion, good results, one simple application. Below expectation, students would have poorly documented data, no conclusions or inaccurate conclusions, and no application. Beginning, launch, hook, and anticipatory set. Hook lesson with rolling ball and ramp and blocks at the bottom. We will happen at the bottom. How will a heavier ball compare with a lighter one? Use a bowling ball rolled down the middle of the classroom floor slowly into a board of block. We will observe these results. Why did it knock it so far? How did it knock it so far? And what if a ramp was used from a speed standpoint? Middle instructions to facilitate student learning. Instruction modeling. We will present slides, visuals, a short video on potential energy, start with prediction of what will happen in certain scenario, a light ball, heavy block. We will write a short explanation and read back student statements to each other. We will also allow a peer evaluate of each other in the classroom. A guided practice we will also use is a simple